When we think about what language is, we certainly have auditory information, that is language, but we also have written information. And the question is, how do these two things relate? And what are the particular processes? So for auditory information, there is a certain timing structure that we can see, and we can also see that in auditory information, prosodic information, that is information about the sentence melody, is very important. In reading, we have other things that sort of are first coming into the system. So we have to figure out what the grapheme to phoneme conversion rules are, because we see particular letters, and then we have to figure out what the particular phoneme is. And there is interesting research to show that this grapheme to phoneme conversion processes are very automatic in skilled readers. Sometimes they even have the possibility to look at a particular written word in its whole form. So there is the idea that there is a visual word form area in the brain where I can sort of look up certain word forms and immediately sort of have access to the meaning, rather than trying to spell out letter by letter what a particular word might be. But once you have access to the lexical entry, after you have processed your visual form, basically the rest of the processing is the same. So we see the same brain areas for lexical information retrieval, see the same brain areas when processing syntactic information. And even, I think this is very interesting, when you analyze of how people process a comma, you can see that the prosodic area is activated. That is a comma indicating an intonational phrase boundary in a written form immediately also activates the prosodic area that we usually only see in auditory language processing.